Alright everyone, we've got another Inked Goddess Creations box, and this is the March box. We saw a sneak peek last time of what's going to be in this one. I believe it said spells and rituals, and if that's the case, I am super excited to open this box. Alright, let's open it. I also went ahead and moved the camera slightly. Yep, it says Spells and Enchantments is the theme of the March box. Spells and enchantments woven with care, harness the magic that fills the air, cast with intention by a witch's hand, they bring forth wonders both small and grand. This month's box contains items that help you craft your very own spells and enchantments. That's awesome. I really like that picture. Let's see what we got. I'm not flipping that over because I don't want spoilers. I can already smell something coming off of this box. I can't tell if that's an oil or an herb, but it's strong. This box is full. So when I was holding it before I opened it, I was like, this box is so light. I wonder if there's just like only 2 or 3 things in it, but no. It just has a lot of light little things, but it is full. Should I start with the colorful bags or should I start with the box? I'm gonna start with the box because it looks like it's already like opened. And I hope nothing's spilled. Oh, something is spilling out of it. Oh no! So it looks like the box popped open. Maybe it got shaken up in transit. And this is what fell out of it. Oof! It is heavy. Is that... Oh, was there another? I think there was another. Yeah. Okay. So it looks to me like it's for making a wax seal, and that is a really pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. The white, I don't know how well it shows up on the camera, but it's almost like pearl looking. And that design is gorgeous. That's so pretty. I'm gonna set this over here. And then here's the stamper, or the seal. Don't know what you call it. It's kind of loose. There we go. Like it looks like an antique spoon handle. And then, it's like a hand holding magic. That's so pretty. That's gorgeous. I'm gonna lay that down right next to the wax. Let me move those so you can see them. There we go. I zoomed out the camera a little bit, and I'm glad I did because I might need all the table space to be in shot. So let's look at our baggies. So I'm gonna guess that these little baggies are for the spells, and it looks like there's multiples, different colors. Cute. Little glass bottles. We got 2 of those. And then we've got a variety of these bags. We got the big orange one. We got a little blue one, a big orange one, and then we got the big green one that it all came in. And that could just be used for holding them together. Like a grayish green. But I'm thinking the blue one's definitely for a spell, and then the orange might be as well. And then we have multiple different colored, looks like envelopes. That's an envelope too. Okay, so that's going to be interesting. I'm going to set those aside. We got another one of those really pretty candles. It's purple, it's really cute. And that's what I was smelling. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, what is that? I know that smell well. It's an herb I use often. It's not rosemary. It might be rosemary. It smells good. But I'm thinking there's gotta be rosemary in there. It's too soft for mugwort. That smells good. What should we look at next? The box? Or I guess I can keep looking at baggies. Because I love this one. Little black one, and we got some crystals in there. And I always save any of the bags that I get in boxes because I can always use them in spells or just for holding crystals and things later. That one's super cute. And it came with, that looks like moonstone, a moonstone bracelet. And it's nice and small. I think that'll fit. Oh, that fits well. Oh, that's cute. That's really pretty. And I can already feel like a really soothing vibration coming off of that. Matches my nails. I'm gonna set that over there. I moved the light slightly, so hopefully there's not as much shadow on the box now. I noticed it was kind of getting a little dark. It's nighttime right now, and I always have to make sure there's enough light. This is the heaviest thing in the box so far. There's some weight to this. I love the paper it's made out of. It's like super thin. I don't want to crush anything, so I'm not going to squeeze it. I like how they didn't use tape to hold it together because it makes less trash, and I'm sure being cardboard you can burn it or it's recyclable. I open both ends. What do we have in here? Oh, no way. Hang on. Oh, I got so excited. It looks like selenite. Oh, it is. Sorry, I'm getting way too excited. Oh, nice. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty. It looks like ice. It's like gorgeous glass. It's selenite. It's a nice selenite charging plate, and there's a spot for all kinds of crystals on there. I can even make a grid on there. Oh, so pretty. I got super excited over it because I don't have like a large one. I have a super tiny one that I got out of a Goddess Provisions box a long time ago. But I never bought myself one of these because I thought, there's so many designs out there, I can't decide. So this box chose a design for me, and it's lovely. And I have lots of room for crystals on there because that's a nice good size. That's going to fit perfectly on my altar too because it's not like super huge. That is gorgeous. I'm going to set it right here. I don't want it to get knocked over, so I'm going to set it over there. And we have a card. Ooh, we have several cards. Ooh. I'm going to set that one down. The Eclectic Witch Deck. I'm going to flip them over one at a time. Let's see what we got. Enchantment Boost. So it says, sigils, sacred symbols, and elements hold immense power, making them incredible to use as enchantment boosts. They enhance the energy of the intention that is being infused into the object, making it more potent. Now here it says, sigil and symbol boost. Draw a sigil or a sacred symbol onto the item. This can be done by drawing the symbol with your finger or by visualizing the symbol over the item. Imagine the energy of the symbol infusing into the object. Yes. And then for elemental boost, choose to use the power of all 4 elements, earth, air, water, and fire, or one element to boost an item. Invoke the power of the elements and imbue the elemental energy into the item. Nice. It gives you all the little steps on how to do sigils and different symbols and how to use enchantments. That's awesome. Where should I set those? I'm going to scoot the box and we'll lay them out here. Let's see what our next one is. This one says easy ways to enchant. It says, so for simple enchantment, cleanse the item with smoke, then hold or place your hands on the object. Close your eyes and envision your intention infusing into the object. State your intention 3 times silently or out loud. Allow your intention to guide you on how long to hold the object. Once finished, your enchanted item is ready to use. I do want to let everyone know that I am dyslexic, and this font is actually very difficult for me to read. I hope I'm reading it clearly, and so far everything sounds really good. So down here, this one's for Magic Circle Enchantment. And to do that, you create a magic circle on your altar. Use candles, herbs, and gemstones that match your intention to create a circle. Place your item into the magic circle, cast your circle, and state your intention 3 times. Focus your gaze and energy on the object. Once complete, close your circle and extinguish candles. Your enchanted item is ready for use. You may also restate your intention each time you use the item to activate or boost its energy. And that is a very simple tutorial on how to do enchantment. We still have like 5 more. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set everything up. There we go. All right, let's see what we got. I'm gonna flip this over and read through, make sure we have everything. This month's Inked Goddess Creations box contains magical seal stamp with wax. It says, seal your envelope spells. Spell jars or magical letters with this beautiful wax seal. Designed by us, the seal depicts your magic being sent into the world. To use, simply light the wick on the wax, drip wax onto the surface you'd like to seal, and then while the wax is still warm, firmly press the stamp into the wax, visualizing your spell being sealed. Next, we have the Metatron's Cube Selenite Charging Plate. I think I called it the Merkaba. Sorry about that. Metatron, which I think is a little similar, but this is the Metatron's Cube symbol. And the Metatron's Cube represents the flow of divine energy between this world and the spirit world, helping to manifest your dreams into reality. Charging your altar items, spells, and more on this plate helps infuse them with balanced, powerful, divine energy. It was labradorite! So this is actually labradorite bracelet. I didn't think it was because it looked really see-through, and I've never really seen labradorite so clear before. But that does explain that beautiful blue shine that's coming through. That is really cool. I only have one labradorite crystal, and it's a palm stone, but actually having a bracelet, very nice. And it's perfect. It's a perfect fit for my tiny wrists. Labradorite is the stone of magic, transformation, and psychic abilities. Enchant your bracelet with your intention, then wear it when you want a power boost of that energy. Nice. Spell Tools Variety Pack. I'm going to assume that includes all the bags, the envelopes. It says, spells can be cast as is or have tools incorporated into them that boost the spell's power. Such tools include spell bags, jars, and envelope spells. This variety pack helps you get started or continue on your journey with different types of spell boosters. Very nice. And they're colors that I don't normally use very often. Yellow. Yellow is a good one. But like this really pretty, it's like a seafoam green. That's really pretty. I think I could probably do like some prosperity or wealth with that one. Very nice. And then we have our small magic votive candle. This one smells very nice. And I want to say there's rosemary in there, but I could be very wrong. Let's see. Blend of dragon's blood, clove, vetiver. I'm not familiar with vetiver. And then jasmine. I wonder if the jasmine is what I'm thinking is rosemary. That or that dragon's blood is just so powerful. That's all I smell. And it's definitely dragon's blood. And I think I'm calling it rosemary, which they're very different. Like I said, not a very good nose. Yeah, still kind of getting over my sickness, but things don't smell like they should. So my nose is a little off. But it smells amazing, and it being a dragon's blood candle, very nice. Because you can use that to boost your spells. And then lastly, Spells and Enchantments Full Expansion for the Eclectic Witch Deck. And that would be our lovely witch deck. Tiny pages of a Book of Shadows like on the go. This 7-card expansion pack contains information on different types of spells and enchantments. Everything was so lovely and very, very nice. And I know I keep saying this, but Inked Goddess Creations has not disappointed. I think they were well worth the subscription, and we are going to continue to get these boxes because they're just full of different unique things every theme. I was not expecting to have like a variety of spell options. So that was nice. When I saw that it was spells and enchantments in the last box as the sneak peek for this box, I was like, oh, we're going to get a spell. No, we're going to get makings to do a variety of spells. So that's nice. And this candle, fantastic. I'm going to sniff that until there's no scent left in that. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed. And as always, may your future be bright and guided by the stars. Blessed be.